yeah, I wanna shoot, baby, shoot.
Ooh, how you doing, baby? No, not you. You, the bow-legged one. Yeah. What's your name? Damn, babe. That sounds sexy. Here I go, here I go, here I go again, girl. What's my weakness? Okay, then chillin', minding my business. Cause all I looked around and I couldn't believe this. I swear, I stand, my niece no witness. The brother had it going on with certain kind of wicked, had to kick it. I'm not shy, so I asked for the ditches. I hope no, that don't make me see what I want, slip slide through it swiftly. Felt it in my hips, so I dip back to my bag of tricks. Then I flip forward, tip, made me wanna do tricks on them, lick them like a lollipop should be lit. Came to my senses and I chill for a bit. Don't know how you do the voodoo that you do so well. This is so hell, makes me wanna shoot. You're packed in your stack, especially in the back, brother. Wanna take your mother for a butt like that. Can I get some fries with that shake, booby? If looks could kill, you would be an easy or a shotgun bang. What's up with that thing? I wanna know, how does it hang? Straight up, wait up, hold up, Mr. Lover. Like Prince said, you're a sexy mother. Well, I like them real wild, B-boy style by the mile. Smooth black skin with a smile, bright as the sun. I wanna have some fun. Come and give me some of that yum yum chocolate chip honey dip. Can I get a scoop? Baby, take a ride in my coupe. You make me wanna. Well, let me bring it back to the subject. That's what it said. Make you get hot, make you work up a sweat. When you sit to a loo, my darling. Not falling in love, but I'm falling for you. When I get shot, bet you by the dollar, you are best under pressure.
Yo, said no one like taste.
Get your lips wet, cause it's time to have that. On your mark, get set, go, let me shoot to the next man in a three-piece suit. I spend all my dough, Raymond, cutie, shoot-a-doobie, like Scooby-Dooby-Doo. I love you in your big jeans, you give me nice dreams, you make me wanna scream, oh, I like what you do, when you do, what you do, you make me wanna shoot. Oh my goodness. Girl, look at him. He is the cutest brother in here. And he's coming this way. Ooh.
Just send the me wanna get with me, cool, but I'm wicked, yeah, it skins whenever quickly. I hit the skins for the hell of it, just for the yell I get, for the smell of it. You want my ball, here's the hot rod, 12 inches to a yard and have you sound like a retard. 6'1" of a 6'2", wanna hit you,
So what you wanna do?
what you wanna do?
I wanna shoot.
Let's learn Shoop. It's choreographed by Trepat, Darren Bailey, Pim Van Grootel, Raymond, Sarlemijn, and Roy Verdonk. It is a 32 count 4-wall beginner intermediate level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, and then go around and do 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it all flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Shoop. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. You're going to scuff your right heel forward, hit your right knee up, step your right foot to the right side. You're now going to scuff your left heel forward, hit your left knee up, step your left foot to the left side. We're now going to cross our right over our left. You're going to quickly make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping back with your left foot to face 3 o'clock. Step your right foot to the right side and quickly cross your left over your right. You're now going to weave to the right, stepping your right foot to the side, cross your left behind your right, step your right foot to the side, cross your left over your right. Let's try that with some counts. Weights on your left, you're starting with your scuff. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. Section 2, we're going to do a big step to the right, dragging our left toe into our right. You're going to do a quarter sailor step, making a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping back with your left foot to face 12 o'clock. Step your right foot to the right side and then step your left foot to the side but slightly forward. We're now going to do heel switches. You're going to take your right heel, place it forward. Step your right next to your left and place your left heel forward. Step your left next to your right, place your right heel forward. Step your right next to your left, place your left heel forward. Step your left next to your right. Let's try that with some counts. We're crossed left over right, facing 3 o'clock. Big step to the right. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and. Section 3, we're going to do a vaudeville to the right. So you're going to cross your right over your left. Quickly step your left foot to the left side and place your right heel into the diagonal. You're now going to quickly step your right next to your left and cross your left over your right. We're going to make a quick quarter turn over our left shoulder, stepping back with our right foot to face 9 o'clock, and then a quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping your left foot to the left side to face 6 o'clock. You're going to cross rock your right over your left, recover onto your left foot and make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping forward with your right foot to face 9 o'clock. You're now going to do a lock step forward with your left, step your left foot forward, bring your right foot in and behind your left, step your left foot forward. Let's try that with some counts. Weights on your left foot, you're doing your vaudeville. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance. You're going to take your right foot and you're going to do a heel kick forward. So your toes are going to be slightly pointed up and you're going to kick that right foot forward. You're now going to make a half turn over your left shoulder as you flick your right foot slightly back. We're now facing 3 o'clock and then you're going to do a heel kick forward with your right. We're now going to do a right coaster step, step your right foot back, left together, right forward. And now we're going to do syncopated lock steps forward. Take your left foot, step it forward and slightly into the diagonal. Bring your right foot in and behind your left, step your left foot forward. Step your right foot forward, bring your left foot in and behind your right, step your right foot forward, and then step your left foot forward. Let's try it with some counts. Weights on your left, you're doing that heel kick. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And that is the end of the dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're doing your scuff hitch step, scuff hitch step, scuff hitch step. Cross, quarter, side, cross, side, behind, side, cross, side, drag, quarter, sailor, step, heel step, heel step, heel step, heel step, cross, side, heel, ball, cross, quarter, quarter, cross, rock, quarter, lock, step, forward, heel, kick, flick, kick, coaster, step, step, lock, step, step, lock, step, step. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're starting with your scuff hitch. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And that is the whole dance. You have no tags, no restarts, nothing extra to worry about. So now let's go around. We're going to do 4 walls of the dance. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, I'm going to do counts. Weight starting on your left foot, you're starting with your scuff hitch. Scuff hitch, side, cross, quarter, side, cross, side, behind, side, cross, side, drag, quarter, sailor, step, heel step, heel step, heel step, heel step, cross, side, heel, ball, cross, quarter, quarter, cross, rock, quarter, step, lock, step, heel, kick, flick, kick, coaster, step, step, lock, step, step, lock, step, step, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Scuff hitch step, scuff hitch step. Cross, quarter, side, cross, side, behind, side, cross, side, drag. Quarter sailor step, heel step, heel step, heel step, heel step. Cross, side, heel, ball, cross, quarter, quarter, cross, rock, quarter. Lock, step, forward, heel, kick, half, flick, kick. Coaster, step, step, lock, step, step. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And that is the whole dance. So now that you've practiced with the tutorial and you've got it all down, scroll to the end of the video and practice with the rear facing demo so that when you go out on the dance floor, you can rock this with everybody else. I hope this helps you learn Shoop. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
Yeah, I wanna shoot, baby, shoot.
Ooh. How you doing, baby? No, not you. You, the bow-legged one. Yeah. What's your name? Damn, baby. That sounds sexy. Here I go, here I go, here I go again, girl. What's my weakness? Okay, then chillin', minding my business. Your songs, I looked around and I couldn't believe this. I swear, I stand, my knees my witness. The brother had it going on a certain kind of wicked. Had to kick it. I'm not shy, so I asked for the digits. I hope no, that don't make me see what I want. Slip slide to his quickly. Felt it in my hips, so I dip back to my bag of tricks. Then I flip for a tip, made me wanna do tricks on them, lick them like a lollipop should be lit. Came to my senses and I chill for a bit. Don't know how you do the voodoo that you do so well. This is spell hell, makes me wanna shoot. You're packed in your stack, especially in the back, brother. Wanna thank your mother for a butt like that. Can I get some fries with that shake, booby? If looks could kill, you would be an easy or a shotgun bang. What's up with that thing? I wanna know, how does it hang? Straight up, wait up, hold up, Mr. Lover. Like Prince said, you're a sexy mother. Well, I like them real wild. B-boy style by the mile. Smooth black skin with a smile. Bright as the sun, I wanna have some fun. Come and give me some of that yum yum chocolate chip honey dip. Can I get a scoop? Baby, take the ride in my coupe. You make me wanna
Don't you know I wanna shoot, baby, shoot, shoot,
Well, let me bring it back to the subject. That's on the set. Make you get hot, make you work up a sweat. When you sit to a loo, my darling. Not falling in love, but I'm falling for you. When I get shot, bet you by the dollar, you are best under pressure.
Yo, senora, like the taste.
Get your lips wet, cause it's time to have the pep. On your mark, get set, go, let me shoot to the next man in a three-piece suit. I spend all my dough, Ray me, cutie, shoot-a-doobie, like Scooby-Dooby-Doo. I love you in your big jeans, you give me nice dreams, you make me wanna scream, ooh, I like what you do, when you do, what you do, you make me wanna shoot. Oh my goodness. Girl, look at him. He is the cutest brother in here. And he's coming this way. Ooh.
Yes, and the